What's up guys, it's your girl Ashley aka Pretty Hippie and I'm back with another video. In this video guys, we're going to be cooking up some fresh vegan enchiladas. Since becoming vegan, this is my favorite enchilada recipe. So if you like good, fresh vegan food, then stay tuned. So these are all of the ingredients that we will be using in today's video. First, I will be slicing up some fresh jalapenos. Now you can use the canned jalapenos or the jar jalapenos, whatever your flavor is. But me personally, I like everything to taste super fresh. So I'm just gonna cut up some fresh jalapenos. So after I'm done cutting up the jalapenos, I'm just going to chop up some fresh cilantro. And cilantro just gives everything that fresh taste, that I just got this out of the garden type of taste. Like, I love cilantro. I use it in so many dishes, especially my Mexican dishes. So now I'm just going to rinse my rice in cold water for about 1 to 2 minutes. And after I'm done rinsing, I'm just going to add water to my boiler and add the rice and let this cook. I'm also going to add some vegan butter and a dash of salt. Now preparing my pan for the mushrooms, I'm going to add some avocado oil to a pan. And then I'm going to add my mushrooms. And then I'm also going to add the cilantro. Taking our organic refried beans, I'm just going to add them to a pan. I lightly oil the pan as well with avocado oil, so I'm just putting that on top of the oil so it won't stick to the bottom of the pan. Look at how these mushrooms are cooking. They look absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to add some taco seasoning mix to the mushrooms. So the taco seasoning mix gives it that Mexican flavor. It gives it the, you know, the works, the enchilada, it does the thing. Like, you guys know what I'm talking about. It does the thing to the things that do the things. Hope that makes sense to somebody out there. Adding oil to another pan, I'm going to put my jalapenos in the pan. The jalapenos are probably my favorite part of this dish. I live for a good fresh jalapeno, okay? Once you go fresh, you will never go back to the jar, I'm telling you. So next, I'm going to add taco seasoning to the refried beans as well, because once again, that taco seasoning just makes it do what it do, okay? You can never have too much taco seasoning. So now that the rice is done cooking, I'm going to take my Earth Balance vegan butter and I'm going to butter my pan. I do like to use aluminum foil because I don't like messing up my pans and scraping the bottom of my pans. Once you get done with the dish, you could just take the foil out and throw it away and your pan is good to go. You don't have to worry about all that scrubbing and doubling and all of that extra stuff. So yeah. Now I'm just gonna take my tortillas and give them a good buttering. This helps them to get soft and it gives like that ooey gooey texture that we love when we eat the enchiladas. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So now I'm just gonna start layering my tortilla with the refried beans, rice, and mushrooms. And after I get done, I'm just gonna roll it up and place it in the pan. Guys, this is so simple, but it is so delicious, trust me. So now I'll show y'all a glimpse from my perspective. You got the beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes. I'm just playing. You got the beans, rice, and mushrooms. And like I said, guys, you can use meat substitute if you want to. But sometimes we just don't want to do all of those fillers in processed food. So we would just rather do things like more on the fresher side. So now I'm going to take my enchilada sauce and just pour it all over the wraps, guys. That's it. Like, this is pretty much it. Like, it's so simple and the whole family loves it. And we are one step closer to being done. Then I'm going to take my vegan cheese and I'm just going to sprinkle it all over the top like so. Once I'm done adding the cheese, I'm just going to put the oven on 400 and let it bake for about 20 minutes. So while the enchiladas are in the oven baking, I'm going to make some guacamole using avocados. All I do is take some avocados, mash them up, add some lime juice, and add a pinch of salt. Now I make my guacamole like this because I have little children and they don't like the onions, the tomatoes, the garlic. They don't like all the extra bells and whistles. They don't even like pepper. Go figure. So I make it really basic, something that they can enjoy. And by the time I got done with this pan of enchiladas, the guacamole was gone. So I'm thankful that I went ahead and got my little spoonful out because they'll just eat it by the bowl. Y'all, look at how good these enchiladas look. Make you want to slap your mama right in the face. Okay, look at how delicious. Oh my gosh, they came out so perfect. And they taste as good as they look, trust me, okay? So, now that they're done, all you have to do is throw you a little sauce on the top and then put you a little bit of jalapenos on the top. You know, you got to keep the jalapenos separate because obviously the children can't eat the jalapenos, so that's an add-on. And then you take you a scoop of guacamole and baby, listen, who finna eat? We finna eat, okay? And it's 100% vegan for all my vegans out there that struggle with daily recipes. This one is easy. Y'all, it's so simple, it's so delicious, and guess what? That's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you enjoy my videos, why not subscribe to my channel? And as always, world peace. Until next time, guys.